let's just start by taking a step back for a second. If you're anything like me, you are probably completely exhausted by the sheer volume of noise on the internet right now. Honestly, everywhere you click, somebody is shouting at you about some secret loophole or a magic trick that's going to magically fill your bank account overnight. It's overwhelming, it's confusing, and quite frankly, it's mostly nonsense. So today, we're turning that noise all the way down. Welcome to This Explainer. This is going to be your realistic, grounded, and highly practical guide to cutting through all those illusions so you can finally earn your very first actual internet paycheck. No magic here, just mechanics. It's a deceptively simple question, right? How do you actually earn online? It's the exact question millions of beginners, particularly across Pakistan, ask themselves every single day. You check your wallet, you feel that awful tightness in your chest about your finances, you open up your browser hoping for some financial relief, and you type this in. And what happens next? You're instantly hit with a tidal wave of information that just seems way too good to be true. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how ridiculous these buzzwords look when we isolate them like this. Earn $1,000 daily. Get rich fast. Easy money. I mean, we've all seen these thumbnails, usually featuring someone with their mouth wide open, pointing excitedly at a Lamborghini. They're explicitly designed to prey on your very real need for income. If you've ever felt frustrated, misled, or just totally paralyzed by these kinds of myths, your feelings are incredibly valid. We're going to take these concepts, crumple them up, and toss them out the window right now. All right, here is our roadmap for today's explainer. First, we'll cover the online income reality. Second, we'll walk through 7 realistic paths to earning. Third, we'll talk about spotting scams. And fourth, we'll give you your actual 90-day action plan. Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1, the online income reality, and how online work actually works. Look, here is the absolute beating heart of all legitimate online income. Step 1, you develop a skill. Step 2, you create a service or a product out of it. Step 3, you find a customer who actually has a problem. And step 4, you get paid. Think of it kind of like being a digital plumber. You fix their leaky pipe, you get paid. It's a beautifully simple, highly effective exchange of value. It is absolutely not a secret glitch in the matrix. Moving right along to Section 2, 7 realistic paths and choosing your first income stream. Now, right off the bat, please don't try to do all of these. You only need to pick one single path to earn that first income. Path number 1 is freelancing. This is a total classic and for really good reason. You're taking a skill you already have, maybe graphic design, maybe writing, video editing, or programming, and you're offering it to global clients on a project basis. The secret sauce here is just starting with one skill. You design a logo for a startup, you build your portfolio, and you just get a tiny bit better with every single delivery. Path number 2 is website development. Just think about your local neighborhood for a second. That new restaurant, the gym down the street, the small clothing boutique, they all desperately need websites to survive in today's economy. Building landing pages and business sites is a massive problem you can solve for these clients. And remember, when you solve big problems, you create highly valuable income streams for yourself. Path 3 is content creation. This means recording videos, writing blogs, or creating social media posts to build a dedicated audience. Now, I really have to stress this. Success here is absolutely not instant. It's a slow burn. If you want easy money tomorrow, this definitely isn't it. But if you have high consistency, a serious focus on quality, and deeply understand what your audience actually needs to hear from you, the long-term payoff can be absolutely incredible. Path 4 is e-commerce, which is selling products via an online store. Obviously, this is a massive industry. But listen, before you go out and spend a single dime on inventory or Facebook ads, you have to do your homework. You've got to research your customers and completely test your business model. The absolute most successful e-commerce earners are the ones who validate their ideas long before they empty their wallets. Next up is Path 5, digital products. We're talking about resume templates, digital planners, printable calendars, or even comprehensive study notes. What's absolutely brilliant here is the infinite leverage you get. You create the resource once and you can sell it literally forever without ever worrying about physical shipping or inventory. As long as your product solves a real problem, the sky's the limit here. Path 6 is online tutoring. If you are good at English, math, science, or coding, there is someone out there who desperately wants to learn from you. Teaching subjects online is incredibly rewarding. Not only are you helping someone else achieve their goals, but it's actually one of the fastest bridges between the knowledge you already possess and your very first online paycheck. And Path 7 isn't really a standalone path, it's more like a supercharger for all the others. Using AI responsibly. AI can assist with research, writing drafts, coding, and brainstorming. It massively speeds up your workflow. But let's be crystal clear about this. It cannot replace your creativity, your communication skills, or your professional human judgment. You're the pilot. AI is just the highly advanced autopilot helping you navigate. All right, bringing us to section 3, spotting scams and guarding your time and money. Notice the stark difference here. Over on the left, we've got our red flags. Guaranteed income? Please. Unless you have some rich uncle who just emailed you out of nowhere, guaranteed money without effort is a total myth. Pay to join jobs? Listen, a real client pays you. You never pay a client to work for them. And obviously, never give out your passwords. Contrast that with the green flags on the right. Legitimate work involves learning actual skills, actively building a portfolio, talking to transparent clients, and signing clear contracts. Basically, if it feels like hard work, it's probably legitimate. Finally, section 4, your 90-day roadmap. Let's get into the action plan. Grab a mental notebook, because here is how you get from zero to your very first income over the next 3 months. Look at month 1. Choose one skill, learn the basics, and practice daily. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what you shouldn't be focused on yet: earning. Do not worry about earning a dime in month 1. Your pure focus is just becoming good at one thing. Month 2 is for building projects, creating that portfolio, and practicing how you communicate. And then month 3 is when you finally apply for opportunities, share your work, and get feedback. Progress is a step-by-step staircase, guys, not a magic elevator. If you take absolutely nothing else away from our time together in this explainer today, burn this framework into your mind. Learn, build, serve, grow. Lasting internet success doesn't come from finding some weird hack. It comes from the consistency of learning a skill, building something tangible, serving a client or an audience to solve their problems, and continually growing from that experience. That is the true architecture of online wealth. Because here's the truth. Every single expert you admire online started exactly where you are today, as a beginner with a ton of questions. The only difference? They actually took the first step. You don't need to know everything to begin. So I'm going to leave you with this provocative question. Which skill will you choose today? Stop waiting around for the perfect opportunity to fall into your lap. Pick your path, take action, and start building your future right now.